TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome back, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now down 15. Nasdaq's down 29. S&Ps are off 4.5. We have the gold contract up $3.80 at $12.50.20. Silver is up 18 cents, $16.59 an ounce. You got platinum up $3.90 at $9.20 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 34 cents, $43.71 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note down 14 ticks, 126.10. 30-year bond off almost a full point, 28 ticks, 156.01. Now, notes and bonds, they are pulling back, and they have some volume behind the move. The differential, they're not going to have the amount of volume that they had with strength, however, because the notes are going into 2.4 million contracts as well as 1.5. Bottom line, though, you might have a little change of pace here. King dollar. King dollar's getting toasted, roasted, all of the above. That's down 646 ticks. You're at 96.460. That is building cause to get down into that 95 area. You have the wide price spread. We have the volume behind the move. Bottom line, if we close it down here, which I expect we will, that's going to go right after the swing low from last week. You break that, you're going to be at the 95 level in about a heartbeat. The euro's trading at 112.86. That baby is breaking topside. That wants 116. Now, the intriguing thing about the 116 on the euro, if in fact right now this thing has wide price spread and it's moving good, you get 116 on the euro. That is saying longer term, which may be a very short time inside the dollar aspect right now, that would be a 91 on the dollar. The yen is trading at 112 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have is this. Yesterday had the SPY fail on price, fail on volume. Bottom line, you got into the highs of the last 3 weeks, couldn't handle the price. Now we'll see how it can handle the downside. So we're dealing with your 242.81 inside the SPY. Now you're dealing with that swing low out here from the 16th. The top of that swing low is right where we are right now. Now you need an expansion of volume up to about 80, 90 million shares. We'll see if we get the expansion of volume. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials also failed on price and volume yesterday. We'll see if there's any action on the way down. The composite, the NDX 100 and the composite look like they're going to lead this baby, folks. So we'll see how this shakes out. So the composite, as well as the NDX 100, that went into the downdraft from the 9th of June. That's where they got smoked. Bottom line, couldn't handle price yesterday. They sold it. They opened them higher, sold them off all day. We'll see how this shakes out today. If you do not get an expansion of volume out here today, guess what? This thing is going to run right up to the highs again as we come into the 4th of July. We go take a look at the 3 Qs, because what you also have, by the way, is at the end of this week, you have window dressing as well as coming into the 4th of July. And markets just love being bullish in the 4th of July. The Qs couldn't handle price yesterday. Right now, we are going into the lower end of this consolidation. And if we see an expansion of volume today of about 40, 50 million, that is saying that the Qs will have a chance to make it down to this lower end, which is 137.47. Now, thus far, you do have volume inside the NDX 100. The gold contract, what do you have with gold? Gold contract is trying to get up into this 1254. We hit 1253.80 today. It does have the volume. I expect we're going to be back up there. Notes. We go take a look at the note, and this is where the text has changed a bit. The notes are coming down with volume. That being said, it doesn't look like they're going to have the amount of volume to basically break this uptrend. I'm talking about not the uptrend since 1980. I'm just talking about the uptrend going back till April 14th. March 14th, rather. Bottom line is that you're coming into 126.10. There's 2.4 million contracts there, and then there's 1.5 at the highs of 126.05. Doesn't look like it's going to break it. King dollar, get out the peanut butter, get out the jelly, all of the above, folks. They're selling that baby down. They're selling it down with volume. We are at 96.470. You get the 96.200. That thing's going to basically break and break hard. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855 750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.